All right. Good morning. What up, fam? What up, what up, what up? Good morning to you. It is looking like a slow day. Looking like a very slow day in the market. Sorry I'm a little bit late today. I know normally I'm live earlier, but today we are a little bit late. So we're here. All that matters is that we're here. As far as news goes, we don't really have much. Not really a whole lot. We have the Trump cabinet meeting at 10 o'clock. New York Fed inflation expectations. Market could just wait, chill out, and wait for that. I don't know. We'll see. I am liking kind of the longs down here. Previous day's close, kind of holding it, trying to curl up, upward pattern. I'm not opposed to longing down here, but I'm just not over. I'm not too confident on price right now because it's very slow, not much happening. I don't know that I like it, chat. I don't know that I like it. So I'm probably gonna wait. If I do take any trades, I would like to see the extremes get tested, whether that be Asia high or Asia low. Personally, I think that's just the areas that are going to provide the best opportunities. Unless, we get initial balance set, then we can start looking for the IB trades there. But I think right now, the best thing to do for me is to probably wait for the extremes to get tested and find opportunities there. And that's probably what we'll do, just given the nature of the market and how it's moving right now. So I really don't want to force anything. Don't want to force anything today. It seems like the past like few streams, the first trade that I take has been red. And then I always, end up digging out of it and ending the day green. So today I don't want to do that. Like I mean, if I'm red on my first trade, I'd rather be red on my first trade by waiting for what I'm looking for and just what makes the most sense to me versus thinking, oh, I think the market's going to go here. So we're going to be patient today. We're going to chill out. We had a good day yesterday. There's no rush or hurry today. So we are going to be very, very patient and do our thing. Chicago, what up, man? How you doing, bro? How you doing, bro? If you guys just tuned in, be sure to smash that like button. It helps me out a ton. Helps me out more than you guys may think. So if you could hit that like button for me, I would be greatly appreciative of that. Greatly, greatly appreciative. Doing well, grand on the day on shorts. Nice. Love that. Love that, love that, love that. It is a good day to short right now. Rustam, what up? Good morning. Good morning to all my people. Chat, what do you think of the bald streams, huh? No hat? Is it different? What do you think? Normally we got a hat on. I've been waiting for somebody. I'm kind of disappointed because I always wear hats on streams and I stopped wearing streams. I even did a YouTube video without a hat on and nobody has said anything. I was expecting the Mr. Clean jokes, the fucking ball jokes, the everything, and nobody said anything. So hey, I mean, listen. You have the same look. Let's go. Hey, look, bald guys unite. I know Chicago bald too. Listen, we all bald. We all bald, baby. All right, let's see if we can make our way to these Asia lows here. Again, I'm not really taking anything in all of this. I really want to see extremes get tested here. So that's what we're gonna wait on. If you guys haven't already checked it out, I did a YouTube video yesterday on the initial balance here. I would encourage you guys to watch that. I get a lot of questions over this strategy, and so I just did a video of how like I break it down and view it and all that stuff. So I would encourage you guys to watch it. Bald is beautiful. Yes, bald is a beautiful thing. BEA beautiful. BEA beautiful. Let's see. Hold on. Why is my book map is all looking weird? Hang on, chat. Let me fix this. Chart settings, maybe no. Yeah, I can't see. I don't know. I don't know why my book map settings are so different. My book map doesn't want to. I tried moving my book map over, but it doesn't want to drag. Maybe now. I don't know. I don't know. But we here. All right. Catching a little buy up. A little buy up from those 840s. We'll see if we can make it down to Asia low there. I don't know. I don't know. We got liquidity stacked up a little bit above us here at 880s, 875s or so. Chat, we got 16 people and 5 likes. If y'all could do me a favor, smash that like button with some serious authority. Have a thumb war with the like button. It gets more people in here. It does a lot of good on the stream. It helps me out more than you may think. So if y'all could just take like 1 second and smash that like button, man, it'd be greatly appreciated. Also, chat, look, y'all know I went to New York. I went to the Tradify meetup in New York. Look at that. Check it out. There you go. Isn't that sick, chat? Isn't that dope? I got a little desk decor, you know, from New York. Pretty sick. Of course, when I went to Wall Street, I had to touch the balls of the bull for good luck. So hopefully this year, the rest of the year, I have good luck for touching the big, beautiful balls on the bull. What is that? What do you mean, what is this? It's the Wall Street bull and a pen. but it's the Wall Street Bull, New York. What do you mean? What is that? It's the bull from Wall Street. Yeah, it's a pen holder. But yeah, see, it's a little pen. You know. All right, bro. Nice vid on the IB strap. Appreciate you. Look at this buy-up, bro. Okay. Well, we just shredded higher. Okay, I saw a bull than that thing, which now I know is a pen. Yeah, it's a pen. Look at this buy-up. I mean, so much for going to Asia low. Just immediately shredding higher. Immediately. We experiencing a failed downside auction? No. Not right now. This happened after or before IB was set. I grabbed the level you showed as Asia low. I have Asia low here. Blue is Asia. Man, look at this buy up, dude. Holy moly. Look at the buy up. Still within IB? Yeah. Question: does Take Profit Trader provide real-time data once you purchase an account with them? Yes. Yes, they do. V-shape recovery. That is also correct. V-shape recovery. We are just shredding higher right now. Holy moly. It's actually insane. I bet gold is melting. Nasdaq is ripping like this. I'm sure gold is just getting absolutely smoked right now. I'm sure it is getting obliterated. I mean, look at this 5-minute candle. It's only 50 points. It looks a lot larger than it is. But in comparison to the day, we've just engulfed absolutely everything. Did a headline come out? No headline came out. I guess we're just bouncing. We are just bouncing. Well, maybe if we can catch a pullback here, we can go long. Looks like we will potentially go up to. What happened to all my indicators, bro? Where'd everything go? Hold on. There it is. Looks like we might go up to these London levels. Have you heard about the new company, Prop Trader? I bought a trader funded account with them yesterday. I have heard about them, and honestly, they make me nervous because they offer 20 accounts, right? If that's the firm that offers 20 accounts, there ain't no way they're gonna change a bunch of shit. Ain't no way it's gonna be sustainable. It never has been. Strange why my real data isn't working even though the account is active. Did you sign the trade evade agreement? If you sign the agreement, yeah, I don't know. Well, it could be when did you purchase the account? Because sometimes it takes them a while to get the account set up. $15 minutes ago, probably the account's probably not set up yet. That's why. Sometimes it takes them a little bit to get the account set up. So I'll just give it some time. I would check back in like 30 minutes. 20, 30 minutes. All right, we are ripping higher, moving to IB high. For you, it took several hours. Yeah, I mean, sometimes it takes some time. Chad, again, if you have not hit that like button, do me a favor, smash the like button with serious authority. Nasdaq ripping higher here. Like buttons for days. If y'all could smash that, it'd be greatly appreciated. We are ripping. I really wanted a deeper pullback here. I mean, I thought maybe I'd get like a retest of VWAP or something, but nope. Nope. I mean, this train is moving and grooving. Moving and grooving. We are about to go up and test IB high. I really don't know why we bounced so hard right here. I mean, that's a hard bounce at kind of an odd level. I mean, it was yesterday's value area low. But this just kind of feels like an odd level to have a bounce like that. A bounce that strong. A bounce that strong feels like somebody knows something about something. This doesn't feel like a technical bounce. Yo, why is my trading view tweaking right now? Okay, there we go. It's working now? Okay, good. Yeah, sometimes you just got to give it time. It takes them a little bit sometimes to get the accounts all set up properly. All right, we are testing IB high here, chat. I imagine that we are probably going to test these London levels. $4.4K on the day. Let's go. Can I borrow $1, bro? Yeah, let me borrow $1. 9K on the month. Now, is that one account or is that multiple accounts? All right, we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. Let's see if we can come down and touch VWAP. It won't take a long. One on Trade Bait. Nice. Nice. I don't know. Is VWAP? Oh, we might get it actually. See if it gives us VWAP. If it gives us VWAP, I'll enter a position long. I would anticipate with this kind of strength that we are going to go up and break IB high. Unless for whatever reason, we just immediately flip all of this, which I have a hard time seeing. We'll see. I would like to see a VWAP touch before entering a long here. I don't want to feel like I'm chasing this. Anybody else in longs or longing this? You hope Trader Vay links with Project X? I don't think that'll ever happen. Ever. That will never. That will never, absolutely, positively never happen. Trade Evade and Project X are in like just big competition with each other. That'll never happen. Ever. The day that happens, I'm pretty sure trading would just halt. Like there wouldn't even be trading at that point. Trade Evade and Project X actually hate each other. And that is no exaggeration. They very much dislike each other. Project X came in and became one of like the biggest competitors for Trade Evade. Wow. Holy moly. Chat, what was that? I don't know. Justin, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, bro. Now I go long. Yeah. I don't know that I'm longing this now. After that move, I don't know that I want to long this, to be honest. This PA, oh, chat, my camera just died, bro. My camera just died. My bad. I left my camera on all night, chat, and I forgot to turn it off, so my camera died. I have a bad habit of doing that, so we're just gonna leave the camera off for like 15 minutes or so, and then or 10 minutes, and then I'll turn it back on. Yeah, I mean, I guess I could have. It would have paid, but that makes you nervous, man. When you get big moves like that, when we had this big 5-minute candle and we're just shredding it, and then just in like 2 seconds we're just retracing all of it. Like I don't. That's just I don't want to be involved. You know, I don't want to be involved, chat. Truthfully, I really don't. We also had the Trump cabinet meeting today, here in about 13 minutes. About 13 minutes, we had that Trump cabinet meeting. G-Man in the building. What's up, G? Hey, listen, bro. Did we take the gold trades last night? Did you short gold? Do all the gold stuff? G-Man's secretly a gold trading millionaire. I don't know if you guys knew that or not. G-Man has made his fortune trading gold. He lives in Miami in a big penthouse that overlooks the ocean. And he just trades gold at night and parties it up during the day. Now they're going to take previous AI? Maybe. Range day, folks. Yeah, looks like it. Justin, my gym time is around noon. Yeah, about 12 o'clock. So have a good gym day. Oh, we are hovering VWAPski. My long idea doesn't feel so great. Gold and oil are the play. Both broke 15-minute orb. Let me just take a look at gold. I mean, fuck, Nasdaq isn't giving me shit right now. Wait. GC. This is not the right gold contract. GC. We're in GCQ, right? Yeah. Oh, gold melting. Gold about to take this level out here. Gold about to take this level. Oh, level got taken. Yeah, gold is acting very, very weak. I mean, maybe we catch a little sweep here. Sweep this level. maybe catch a little bit of a bounce. I don't know. I'm not really. I don't want to short down here on gold at all. I don't want to short nothing down here, bro. Holy. If anything, I'd like to find a level to catch a bounce off of. I guess like wait for gold for the moment it starts to show some sort of strength or something. Out of sweeping this level. What's Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq still kind of hovering in this middle of the range here. Nasdaq coming right back down. I mean, we're retracing this whole move that we had up on Nasdaq. I mean, it's getting absolutely just retraced right now. All right, gold swept that level. Now it makes you wonder if, since we've broken IB low, we swept a key level, now are we going to actually buy up on gold here? Because Nasdaq's melting. All right, Nasdaq's getting absolutely obliterated. So it makes you wonder if gold is going to start catching a bid. Look at Nasdaq. Look at that. That is dirty. That is dirty. Holy chat. What is happening? Chat, this is not tradable. Like, Nasdaq right now is not tradable at all. Like, you're getting, if you like, you right now, if you trade and make money on Nasdaq, you're fucking lucky, right? It's luck. This is not tradable. Surprised that, you know, gold is actually not catching a bid from, you know, Nas selling off like that. Makes you think that gold would catch a bid. Well, this is just like delayed. Quick sell with 2 minis. That's going to do it for me. Holy moly. 2 minis on Nasdaq? Sheesh. I mean, what is this? Passed a 50K Apex eval and didn't even know it. Well, that's a good feeling, I guess. That is a good feeling. All right, chat. Let's try to turn the camera back on and see if it stays on. I know y'all want to see my bald head. You know, if you rub a bald head, like a guy's bald head, right? It's known for good luck. If you rub someone's bald head, it's known for good luck. A genie might pop out. Grant your ass 3 wishes. Nas is just getting absolutely smoked right now. Gold's trying to catch a bid, but it's very much just not happening. Not yet, anyways. Nas getting smoked. We have that Trump cabinet meeting here in about 4 minutes. I don't know how it's going to affect the markets. So just as a heads up. Just a heads up. Chat, I gotta get back to doing some skits, some trading skits on Instagram. I need to start pulling out the skits, bro. Gold still just trying its hardest to catch a bid here, but just being really held down. Nasdaq really hovering down here at these lows. Not much really happening down here at these lows, and especially for gold. Gold just kind of hovering here too. I really did think gold would catch a stronger buy up with the Nas getting smoked like that, but sometimes they're not always correlated like that, so you have to watch out for it, especially when it's like news-driven markets. When the market's being driven by news, sometimes those markets aren't really correlated. Nas catching a buy up here. Now, if we retrace all of this again and we just shred higher, that's filthy. Like, that's just impossible to trade, chat. Impossible. It really is. Like, you have to size way down to trade this kind of stuff. Because I can already tell you what happened. Like, we saw this massive move up. I swear, bro. There we go. We saw this massive move up. People waited for a pullback, probably longed VWAP here, and then got fucking accounts blown. Guarantee that's what happened to a lot of people. I know that because I would have been one of the people that wanted to take along there. Fortunately, I didn't. But this kind of movement just makes trading very tough. And now it's acting like it wants to completely retrace all of that move down. Holy. Chad, if you haven't already, do me a favor, smash the like button. We've taken 0 trades because we just have not found anything that we want to take yet. I mean, I'm not, to be honest, I'm not overly excited to trade this. I mean, it's been good movement up and down, but it's also kind of an impossible movement if you think about it. Like, it's not been fun. We have an IB failure here. Could have taken an IB trade, I guess. On the day, we've moved 101 points. It's not the best, man. Not the best. Now that we have an IB failure, maybe we can catch some sort of pullback here that we can get long off of and maybe ride this thing back up. But it seems like the Nas, when it gets moving like this, it doesn't really give you much of a pullback. So we'll see if See if we get anything. And there we go, right back to VWAP. Chat, are you guys trading this? Like, are y'all making money on this? Is it just me that hasn't taken a trade? Is it just me? Is it just me? Hovering VWAP. Ripping back higher. I guess my trade would have been just taking the long off the initial balance low there. I guess that'd have been it. That would have been it. But it's like, I don't know, getting smoked like that. Like, how do you anticipate getting bought up that aggressively after getting smoked that aggressively? I mean, it's tough. Absolutely tough. You're a market hoe today. You are a market hoe. Holy moly. Bouncing around. Size down big time today, but so far so good. Love it. Love to hear it. I haven't taken a single trade, chat. I'm just not. I haven't seen anything that I want. And I don't want to take a trade just to take a trade. Like, I want to take something that I know I want to take. I know that's boring for stream, but also at the same time, I don't want to trade out of boredom here. All right, we are still hovering VWAP. I would like to think now, since we failed here, all right, since we failed there, I would like to think that we work our way back up. That's my thought behind us failing down here. Maybe even take out IB high and then go look to take out these highs and potentially test, there. It's kind of what I'm thinking. We have a lot of liquidity stacking higher, more liquidity higher than we have lower. Chat, while we wait, I guess, okay, here we go. We are getting a move higher. While we wait, can just plug it real quick. TradeFi is 35% off. Use code JM, get the best deal possible. See code JM for all the firms above there. Take profits 40% off, no activation fee. Apex, I think, is still 80% off. can use code JM to lock in the absolute best deals possible. If you feel like you want to support the community. All right, this cabinet meeting should be going on right now with Trump. Got a beautiful shot of the White House. Beautiful shot of the White House. Holy. Trump sent that truth out so his buddies could get entry for their ripped 23K. Yeah. Probably. Probably. Off the ground, appreciate you. Oh, man. Break a VWAP. Are we just going to send it up? We got 70 contracts sitting up at 930, chat. You see it on boat map there on your screen. We got 70 cons sitting at 930. Makes you think we probably go up and take it, huh? Makes you think we probably go up and take it. I mean, chat, we're doing absolutely nothing. We have some liquidity stacked at 930s and then some at 955. If you can't see the market for a trade, call it a day and circle back for power hour. I mean, yeah, it's tempting. Yeah, I started to stream late, and so I just want to hang out for a little bit, just stream for a moment, you know. Watch the market. Maybe something pops up, maybe it doesn't. If I could get a pullback here to get long off of, I'll probably do it. But I can't. The moves are just happening very linear, and so any move that we've had, I'm not getting the pullbacks that I want to then take the trade. Like even right here, I mean, I'm not getting a pullback on that move down that we just had. We went down all the way down to I below. There was no pullback. It was just linear. The move up before that, linear. Like everything's just linear. There's no like entry point to get in on all of this. I mean, I could go to the 1 minute time frame and probably find it. You know, like when you're getting rips like this, you could go down to the 1 minute and try to find something. Did you take the failed auction trade on the 5 minute? Actually, I did not. No, I didn't take it. This came out. This whole retracement here on this, retracing all this move up. I got a little nervous about this failed auction here. Right. And so I decided to stay out of it. Now, granted, we didn't really fail it. Like the true failure happened up here, right, on the 30-minute time frame where it closed. But on a 5 minute, I guess you could have anticipated it, maybe on a 5 minute, where you have this wick out. But this made me nervous to try to long anything. So that's why I didn't take it. But it definitely would have paid for sure. For sure. Gold would be your best bet today. Yeah, I saw gold was moving. Oops. Gold is still getting smoked. I mean, the shorts on gold are definitely paying. Definitely. Am I trading Asia today? Probably not. I tried trading Asia for a little bit, and I did well with it. I don't know. Something about just trading at 8 o'clock at night for me. it's not it's not appealing. Not when you have kids and your family and stuff like that. It's like I put the kids down to go to bed around that time, so I try to spend time with them. And find it odd that gold is dropping considering all the news from China and BRICS is that they are trying to buy as much gold as possible. I don't know. I find the market odd in general. The market don't make a bit of sense in general right now. Look at that wick on gold. Now it's gonna rip. Watch. Now we're gonna rip. We're gonna go right back to Ibula. Comes a pullback on Nas. Gold. Gold trying to catch a little bit of a bid. I don't know, chat. What do we think about longs on gold? Once we get a little more confirmation, huh? Or do you think this is gonna keep just melting down? What do y'all think? Does gold keep melting, pun intended, or do we rip? Does it brick up? What do you guys think? What up, Luna? Gold's on 10R now. Nah, it's trying to pull. Naz trying to pull. Took 3 failed auctions today. Oh baby, printing. I've taken no trades. I've not taken a single trade today. Not one. I haven't even been remotely close to taking a trade. Look at that buy up, chat. What'd I say? Buy up, go right back to IB low. Looks good. Looks good. No trades is equivalent to a winning day. Yeah, it is. We're not losing money, that's for sure. Chat, gold gonna go back to IB low. Nah, it's trying to roll over. Gold gonna try to work its way back up. Three bar reversal on gold, yeah. Yeah, this thing looks good. Longs look good on gold. They look really good. To 2Ls a day, one because of my own failure to read the higher time frame and look at ES and YM rather than just in Q, and which was valid but simply didn't play out because of iffy conditions for my model. That happens. That absolutely happens. You can have the best possible setup, A++++, and things just get real sketchy real fast. It happens. You feel better about losing a trade following your model than you do losing a trade taking a bullshit trade. All right, we're going to try this long here, chat, on gold. I like the potential for it to move up to IB high here. What's IB high? Or IB low, sorry. Excuse me, IB low. 309. I think it's got potential. So about a 1-to-1 trade here. I'll actually add one more. We're in 5. I'll get in 5 here. We're risking 366 to make 309. So about a 1-to-1. We can put on a little bit more size if we're only risking $300. And we'll try to catch a move back to IB low. Feels way better. It definitely does. See if we can get back to IB low. I don't normally trade gold during this time frame, so it's kind of odd for me to be in gold right now. But I like the setup. I do like the setup. Definitely taking its time here. We're risking 366 to make about 309. So it's just under a 1R. I mean, it's basically a 1R. Jeff, if you haven't already, smash that like button for me. It's free way to support the channel. We got 25 people, 16 likes. If y'all can smash that like button, that would be greatly appreciated. All right, can we get this move up here? Move up to IB low. Slowly working our way up here. I don't know, chat. We got to get her going. We are trading gold, so we got to be a little patient with it because the moves are much slower. Much slower. But the one thing we don't want this to turn into is just a higher low. That's the one thing we don't want this to turn into. Because this could definitely just reject up here and send us back lower. So we need gold to get moving. Real test is going to be right here at 307 for gold, I feel like. Testing previous day's low. Yep. Just need to break above. What's it at? Yeah, that's what I was talking about. That's that 307 level. I feel like it's gonna be a big test. If we can pop that 307 level, we'll probably get filled on this and take our profits. Just need that 307 level to get up to get run through. Push it. Push it. Man, gold just leaves you like anticipating. It's so suspenseful with gold. The suspense is real. We're working. We're working. Can we get past 307, chat? We got to get past 307. It's going to be it might be a struggle. But I really want the IB low test. Or is IB low getting greedy, chat? What do you guys think? Is IB low getting greedy? I mean, that's 7 points, roughly. 6.2 points on gold. Oh, we're pulling back here. I would run 1, sell 4. Going with XFA, so what yeah, I don't know. I mean, I like the idea of IB low test, but I don't know. It's starting to get kind of questionable. Makes me wonder if I'm just getting too greedy, trying to get that much on gold right now, when we've been in a major downtrend. But I'm gonna try to hold out and see if gold will give me that IB low test. What I could do just to protect myself, I could just go to break even, chat. I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna go to break even just because I am so counter trend, and we're starting to pull back pretty heavy off these pretty much 306s, almost 307s here, which this has me worried. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to break even. If I get tapped, I get tapped. I'm not too concerned about it. But I don't, because I'm so counter trend. I don't really want to risk going red on this trade. It hadn't really got enough out of the trade to trim profits, but I feel pretty good about going to break even and just getting out for scratch versus being red. So that'll be that. I mean, for gold, we 302.8. I mean, we captured 4 points on gold, which for gold is actually quite a bit. So going to break even feels pretty good. Now I don't have to worry about if I'm being greedy or not. I can just get out for scratch or take profit. Now, I will say that something I am considering, chat, if we are going to go up here and test IB low and we're showing strength, I might actually move this higher, but trail very tightly. That way I can open up to a little more profit, but also trail tightly to where I'm locking in the amount of profit that I pretty much want to lock in. So that's something I'm considering if we can make it up there. Because we could very well, like this is IB low where I have my take profit. We could very well have a failed auction on gold. If we do get up here, it could very well be a failed auction. But I might get tapped out for break even first. So we have lots of options here. Either we get tapped out for break even, we can take profit at IB low, or if we show strength up here, we can move this up but trail tightly. I mean, there's a ton of options we could do. We could take 3 contracts off and let 2 run. Maybe. I mean, there's so many options here. Needs to eat some creatine gummies and start pumping for real. You are not lying. Not lying. We may get tapped for break even though, chat. Tell you what, we'll give this a little bit of breathing room. I won't risk 300, but I'll risk 100. That way, we're still allowing for some risk, but we're not trailing too tightly on this. Because, I mean, I do want to give it some breathing room, but at this point in the trade, I don't want to risk $300 on this. I'd much rather just risk 100. Being that much in the green, there it makes 0 sense for it to let it come all the way back down to the lows there. So we could risk 100. Give it just a little bit more breathing room. Shiny Paladin, what up? I think if it comes down to my stop here at 300, then that I feel like the trade it is invalidated at that point. I'm trying not to overmanage this trade. I know I'm moving some things around here, but I'm trying to manage it how I see it. Definitely getting a little dicey up here in these 304s. Chat, if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button for me. Free way to support the channel. Catch the live streams daily by hitting that subscribe button there. Chat, this is one long trade. This is a long one, chat. Let's see if she can give us our move up here. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. We just got to get above 307. Got to get above 307, chat. Chat, if we win this trade, we'll do a giveaway for a take profit account. If we win this trade, we'll do a giveaway for a free 50K take profit account. I'm going to put that on Twitter. All right, I put it on Twitter. If I win this trade, we're giving away a free take profit account. We just got to get above those 307s, man. Those 307s. We can get above it. We'll probably get this trade. Chat, the suspense right now. It's so suspenseful. Just give it to us. Get above those 307s, man. Get above the 307s. Someone go drop 1,000 contracts long on gold in a real live money account, please. Can someone go do that for me? All right, we're in the 307s. We got to pop them. I think this is the line right here. We pop 307s. I think we'll get this trade. Let me just confirm on TradingView real quick that IB low is, yeah, IB low's at 309. So we get this pop, we'll get it. Trying to. We're right there. We are right there, chat. My goodness. The 307s. Are they going to wreck me, chat? Holy. Are the 307s going to wreck me, or are we going to get it? Come on, strong push. One more strong push. All we need is one more strong push. Come on. We just need that one more push. Would be a good catch on MGC. Don't tell me that yet. We ain't taking profit yet. Don't jinx my trade. If I lose this trade now, I'm blaming you. It's going to be your fault. Boom. There we go. There it is. Holy moly, chat. That was a long trade. And my camera died again, chat. Wow. Why didn't y'all tell me? My camera overheated during that trade. That's incredible. All right. Well, as promised, I said that we would do a giveaway if we won that trade. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to make sure that I'm out of everything here, flat and all. Okay. 1 second. Let me pull up. All right. I said we'd do a giveaway if I won that trade. So here's what we got to do. Let's see. Comments. Let's see. What do we want to do here? You know what? The best code in the world to use is JM with all prop firms. So it's Tradeify, Take Profit, Apex, Trade Day, Day Traders. The best code in the world to use is JM. So comment JM in the chat, and I'll enter you for the giveaway for a free Take Profit account. G-Man's actually entering. That's funny. G-Man's not a fan of Take Profit, but he's actually entering. That's actually classic. That's actually classic. All right, we got 9 people. Going once. Going twice. We have more people in here than that. So I'm giving you guys a little bit of time. Giving you a little bit more time to do this giveaway. Code JM. Enter in the comment section JM to enter the giveaway. But I want to win. Jam is best go for sure. Well, hey, appreciate that. But if you win, hey, you get a Take Profit account. Or if you want to give it away to somebody else, you can do that too. All right, chat. Going once. Remember, enter JM in the comment section to be entered for the 50K Take Profit account giveaway. Going twice. What up, Logan? If I win, I'll give it to second place. That's no fun. If you win, we'll just redo it, right? Everybody loves a good duck race. if you win, we'll just redo it. All right. And I'm closing her down. We're going to do this for a minute and a half. Just want to race. This is fun. I really do enjoy this. All right, chat. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck for the 50K Take Profit account. So far, it's a pretty close race. Time's taking the lead. Oh, we got Pri, however you say your name. Crack hard, let's go. Uh-oh. FitMom turn on the boosters. Really wagging the tail in the water to get that speed going. Uh-oh, business is turned on the boosters. Logan Harris taking the lead. BT Business turned on the nitros. Oh, Logan Harris gassed out, bro. Your cardio sucks. It's close. FitMom, BW. Uh-oh, Logan Harris is trying to catch back up. BT Business. It's close one. Who's going to take it? BT. BT Business. DM me on Discord. DM me on Discord. And I'll get you hooked up. Duck races is legit, bro. I love duck races. All right. BT, hop in. If you're not in Discord, hop in. DM me. If you're already in Discord, just DM me. And we'll get you hooked up with the free 50K take profit account. Just DM me your email with take profit, and I will have it sent over to you. Send you the site you want to use it. I'll send it to you. Chad, did we have a good take profit here? Look at this. Did our take profit get hit and we're starting to pull back off of it? How about that, huh? How about that? Let's take a look at NQ real quick to see what we got going on. NQ is trying to get bullish. We are ripping VWAP there. Ripping the VWAPski. It's 11 o'clock. Chat, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna eat some lunch. I gotta go to the gym. And then get some video edits done. We are up 300 in our top step accounts. Not the biggest day. We took one good trade here on gold where we took the longs. Targeting IB low back on gold. That was a long trade. Does it tell me how long my trade was? Chat, how long was my trade? Do y'all know? How do I see that? Orders. No? Trades. Duration. 30 minutes. No, that's not right. That wasn't today. I'm confused. Trade price 3. No, that is right. P&L $53. Wait a second. No? Oh, wait, that's because I added. Wait, I added into my position. That's why. That's why it's showing that. Okay, so yeah, the trade was about 30 minutes long. So 30-minute trade on gold. Holy. All right, chat. We're gonna call it there. BT, DM me on Discord. Chat, if you hit that like button on your way out, that'd be greatly appreciated. Subscribe, catch the live streams every single day, Monday through Friday at the New York Open Day trade the Nasdaq. In this case, we traded the gold. Hit that subscribe button. Check out the video I just made and posted on YouTube. It is the IB initial balance. The Trump cabinet meeting is actually happening right now. You can go onto my channel, go under videos. You can see the strategy video that I posted here that I use every single day. We'll catch you guys live tomorrow morning. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Trade safe. Keep trading.